Hey YouTube, Farmer853 here. This is my Gravely 1969 Gravely 430 commercial garden tractor set up strictly for pulling. Called the Gravely Digger. It's got 26 12/12s in the back. This mower deck at night glows. It's got a Harley soft tail air filter cover on it. I just came from a local fair, got first place with it, pulled 2,100 pounds, 69 inches. You can see the wheelie bars. We don't even mow or do anything with it, it's just strictly for pulling. So, we'll fire it up. It's a cold start. It's been sitting for a couple days, so. Bad connection. Huh. Well, looks like I gotta do a connection. Look, see that on the starter here? The connection's bad. So. Alright. Top of the hood. I don't know if you can see it, but it's laser etched. My uncle laser etched it. So this is Gravely Digger, and then some cool stickers. I don't know. Get on, sit down, shut up, hang on. We got lights. Fit toggle. So, there's a Gravely Digger.